I can't say properly and serially. I'll just say randomly. Okay? Because I for intelligence. Okay? Little man. H for harness.
ఇంకా ఈశ్వర్ ఇట్లాగా
S for sexy. Honey, yeah.
S for stupid. R for rascal. R for rascal. Ridiculous. Risky. Rascal. Arrogant. Arrogant.
Arrogant means I don't know the meaning of it.
Arrogant is not good con.
What do you like to put here? Mr. Barsha. Mr. Barsha. This salt is given to you.
YouTube. YouTube.